Today we're going to be drawing a cute sloth. Grab your drawing pencils and follow along. We're going to start off with a big old circle for the head. It's going to be a pretty dopey looking sloth. He's going to have a very cute head, so we're going to go start with a big circle. And then we're going to do a little small circle for the body. Let's make it extra small, just so he looks extra cute. Then we're going to draw in, let's say, let's actually give him a branch to lay on. Let's give our sloth a giant branch, and we're going to give it a little bit of a twig and some cute leaves. So you just want to sketch these out. The log is pretty easy to draw. It's just going to be a circle on the top and a little circle on the bottom, and you're just going to connect the two. So with our two circles and our log in, we can actually draw some more construction lines for the details. I want the sloth to have a little leg right here, so we're going to actually draw an oval right here and a little bit of a thigh. And then we're going to connect that to the leg, and then we just need the two arms. The sloth has really long arms, so we can actually extend it out. And then let's just add two lines for the paw. And for the face, we just need a center line, and then we can move over to the marker. So that's all the construction lines you really need. And then we could move over to the marker part. Let me realign camera just a little bit. So you want to grab your marker, and we can get started with the face. So our sloth should have some pretty big cute eyes, so we're gonna go and draw two almost circular ovals on either side, and then we're gonna do in the highlight and then a bottom for the coloring, and then we just want to color in this middle part. You don't want to color it all black because it'll look a little demon-like. So we want to keep him cute and cuddly. Alright, once that's done, we can draw over to the nose, or go over to the nose. Let's go a little bit of a triangle nose in the middle, and then just a little kawaii W mouth. Super cute. And once that's done, we're gonna just draw these big old bags because sloths are always tired, just like me. We're gonna just go and draw these big old bags on either side. Bigger the better. And then we're gonna do an outline, but we're not gonna actually draw the outside of the circle. This is just a pattern on the inside. So we're gonna draw it right before we hit the outside and connect these two bags. Let's give it a little bit of cute blush. He's kawaii. And I think that's really good for the face. That's a really good start. And then we just need a little bit of some details, so we're just gonna give him a nice little nub of hair. And then we're gonna finish off the head by going around. Using the construction lines, we're gonna go around, connect to the body. And then you don't want to decapitate him, you just want to go and right here. So if you finish off, it might look right, but it kind of looks like it's decapitated. We don't want that. So we're just going to draw in the nub arm. Draw in the little two paw lines. And then we can actually add more detail. We're going to extend these paw lines into claw lines. There we go. Easy. Just change the whole species of sloths, cuddly sloths, to like a dangerous sloth. And then with this paw, we're gonna draw the back. So from the back, from the head, we're gonna draw the back all the way down the butt to the little leg. And this is a claw sloth, not a paw sloth, so we have to add the claws to the leg too. So we're gonna draw the leg, draw this line, and draw the nubbiest of claws. And now we just need a little thigh. And I think our sloth is done. I swear I never seen a sloth with a tail, but he looks like he's missing a tail, so I'm just gonna draw one in. Little tiny tail. Looking pretty cute. I think that's fine. Sloths might not have it, but I'll have to double check. Let's draw the belly in. Little neckline, and then let's actually detail out this branch. The branch, you could do really simple. Just draw a swirl up here, and then we're gonna draw a line to complete that, and that's gonna be the top of the wood. And then we're gonna draw a line down to this point, continue down, wrap, down. And then we're gonna draw the leaves in before we draw the branch, because the leaves goes in front. So leaves are pretty easy. You just want to draw this almost like a curved diamond shape or two curves in the other point. Draw a line in the middle, and you just do these little Y shapes to complete the leaf. And we're gonna repeat this on the rest of them. So do the little curves, little Y shapes, curves, little Y shapes. Now they're looking like footballs, but they're leaves. We'll color them green so people will know they're leaves, not footballs. Alright, let's go to the branch, down, and then I'm gonna detail in the wood a little bit. It's a pretty simple process. You're just gonna draw a line just to showcase that the branch is there. And then we're gonna draw in these wood lines, which is straight lines and curvy lines in the wood. And then you could even add a swirl here or there and make the wood a little bit more unique. But you don't want to overdo it, just enough lines to add texture to the wood. There you have it. A cute sloth drawing. Let me move the camera up a little bit, just so we have the full picture. Gonna do a little bit of erasing. And once you're done erasing, let's add a really quick color pass. And there we have it, a cute kawaii sloth drawing. If you liked the video, please give it a like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.